Malaysia is surprising. It's probably a lot of people are not aware of Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur, like compared to other countries, but it's worth it.
Very family friendly too. A lot of other places, like say in Thailand, you go to Phuket for people to party here. And the other great thing about it is you can hop on a plane and be in Singapore, Bangkok, wherever in just a few hours.
Would you consider moving here to Malaysia?
Definitely. Last time I was here is like 3 years ago.
Okay.
So I came back and I felt my heart was bleeding a little bit. Like I miss it so much.
What is one thing you dislike about Malaysia? Don't worry, honest. It is a hot day in KL right now, and I'm in the KLCC Park, the Petronas Twin Tower Park, to start asking you guys questions. Foreigners, expats, anyone not from here, just to get their opinions on what it's like to live here, how do they get about their daily life, what's the difference, and what their advice is for people coming to Malaysia. If you guys want to know more, stay tuned. These are all the people that I'm interviewing today. What is your name, by the way, sir?
AMR.
AMR.
Amr, yeah.
Where are you from?
From Yemen.
Yemen.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
Around 5 years.
What made you choose Malaysia?
Living here is not expensive. Rent, food, transportation.
What is your favorite thing about Malaysia?
Actually, life is easy here. People is in somehow kind. Different nature than what used to in my country. And also, it's safe. You as a foreigner, you don't face problems like racist because you are foreigner. If you avoid problems, there is you can live here for 10, 20 years easily. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Anna. I'm 25 from Germany.
How long have you lived in Malaysia?
I stayed for 9 months. I did a semester abroad and then I did an internship afterwards. At first, I didn't have many expectations, to be honest. And once I arrived, I was super surprised because it's very beautiful. I mean, now we are here at KLCC Park. Wonderful vegetation, super beautiful, nice people. The food is the best.
Ahmed from Egypt. Mustafa, also from Egypt.
So, what is your first impressions of Malaysia?
The mosques, the mosques
Yeah,
were nice.
mosque.
We really liked it. Yes, so it's a very nice country. Everyone is friendly as well. Yes, we got very friendly.
I'm Sam and I'm from Belgium. First time was 10 years ago and we're actually trying to recreate the pictures I have from 10 years ago.
What is your favorite thing about Kuala Lumpur? Like, what brings you back?
The general vibe, I think, like the street food, walking around, seeing different parts of the city. It's quite mellow, but it's not as rushed as a lot of other capitals. Not as much motorbike traffic. It's quite easy to get around everywhere and a general good vibe.
David.
David.
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya.
I'm Emmanuel from Ghana.
Emmanuel from Ghana. All right. So, how long have you guys been in Malaysia?
Just a month.
What's your first impression of Malaysia?
Honestly, the people are friendly. You're finding it nicely.
Yeah, it's okay. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Every people are free.
But the things I like is the food and the culture. I find there are also Indians, Chinese people here.
Yeah.
There are many people here.
Everybody's here.
Diverse.
Especially their food. Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Yeah, a lot of people like nasi goreng.
Yeah, very nice.
Kevin Shenton. I'm from Singapore at the moment, originally the UK. I like the general relaxed, casual attitude that it has. And the mixture between top-end shopping malls like this and street-level hawker centres and those extremes. They seem to live quite well together.
I'm Arthur and I'm from Poland.
I'm Gabriela, I'm also from Poland.
Yeah, it's our first day in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, so is this like a trip that you guys are going around Asia or just Malaysia?
Oh, we start in Thailand. That was just like the spontaneous move because we didn't even know that Malaysia is on the south of the Thailand in Krabi. We spent few days and now we're going on the south. So now it's time for Malaysia. And after Malaysia, we are going to Singapore. I think that Kuala Lumpur is a good city. Everyone says Dubai is like the mansions, like the good building, like the future. But I can tell that in Kuala Lumpur, it's quite comparative to the Dubai. I didn't see that in Poland for sure.
My name's Andy. I'm from Canada.
How long have you been in Malaysia?
Like I said, about 18 months. I got good relationships with everybody I work with here and everybody I hang out with, so I'm pretty happy here. That's a good place. I got 2 sons. I took them up to Ipoh. We did a little bit of trekking in the caves, and you guys really maintain your nature trails well and make them make them usable for any level of ability. They're accessible. I mean, I like the food. I like the people I've met. I just enjoy the experience of whatever I'm doing wherever I am. So yeah.
So would you consider living in Malaysia?
Definitely. Last time I was here is like 3 years ago.
Okay.
So I came back and I feel like my heart was bleeding a little bit. You know, I was like, I miss it so much. I think compared to Germany, it's more relaxed. The people, like the whole vibe is much nicer. If you go on the street, you don't feel like this pressure, anxiety, because the people are nicer. It's just laid back, kind of.
More laid back. Okay.
There's not so much pressure among each other, like socially.
Sure. My name's Anthony. I'm from Los Angeles.
What would you say your first impressions of Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur was?
Orderly, clean. Everybody's polite.
Okay.
Yeah. So those are my first impression, and the food is very good. Malaysia is surprising. It's probably a lot of people are not aware of Malaysia or Kuala Lumpur, like compared to other countries, but it's worth it.
I'm from China. My name is Yang.
Yang.
Yes.
All right, Yang. Yang, how long have you been in Malaysia?
I've been here many times.
Many times.
Yeah.
So you're here like as a tourist or you work here?
I work here.
You work here?
Yeah.
So how long have you been in Malaysia? Like 2, 3 years? 5 years?
My first time here in 10 years ago.
10 years ago?
Yeah.
What is your first impression of Malaysia 10 years ago?
Hot.
Hot.
Yeah, I like the food here because here we can have the Chinese food, the Malay food, and even the Indian food. I tried everything here.
Do you see yourself living here long term?
Yeah, I think I would if I were to be an expat.
We'll see what happens. I'm a little older, so sometimes they don't like the old guys because the government rules and stuff. But I'd be happy to stay here if I get offered another contract. I'll probably sign on it.
I like Malaysia probably better than like places like Thailand. Seems a lot more diverse. Like there's just a lot more different options for things to do. I've traveled other places in Malaysia too. I like it. I like the people. Like that there's some distinct cultures and stuff like that here too. So as an American, it's very different, but it's also nice to have the diversity as well.
So would you consider living here long term?
Why not? Can't see why. Like I said, now I live in Thailand. Almost the same weather. I'm more of an island type of guy. But then again, I love coming here and have like the big city energy and a lot of things going around. So yeah, why not? I could see myself blending here quite easily.
Seems very livable. Seems like very family friendly too. A lot of other places, say in Thailand, you go to Phuket, things like that. It's for people to party or whatever. But it seems like you can have a good life here. And the other great thing about it is you can hop on a plane and be Singapore, Bangkok, wherever in just a few hours. Really big, different frame of reference from, for example, living in the United States, where you have to fly a very long way to get somewhere that's, pretty different. Whereas here, like I said, you can hop on a plane and all of a sudden, you're in Jakarta.
I mean, the part that I was most impressed, this is probably going to be, you think of this as trivial, but coming from Thailand, I've been living in Thailand for a lot of years, and which I also think is great too. When you come here, though, the one thing you notice is as soon as you see like real heavy rain, like flooding rain, whereas in Thailand it'll flood for 3 days, here it's like an hour. Now, of course, it does flood sometimes. We know that, but I mean, for the most part, an hour and it's gone. You guys have amazing drainage. So this is a thing that I noticed right now. I don't know. I've seen the other places I've been, like in the more remote areas. It's maybe not quite as good as KL, but you do spend some real time thinking about drainage patterns, and it makes a difference when you're in a tropical climate. So
we get really heavy rains here.
Yeah. So you guys have worked around it. Yeah.
What is the one downside of living in Malaysia?
Sometimes it's too hot. It can be hard to like walk places here. I'm a big bike rider, and it's not necessarily always conducive to biking like I do at home. I'll bike 10, 15 miles here. I don't know, I might get heat stroke. I don't know.
So what is the one thing you dislike about Malaysia?
Weather.
The weather.
Workways. If I leave the park, there's no good way for us to.
There's no proper walkways.
Traffic flow.
Traffic.
It seems that what was causing a lot of the traffic delays were the manual toll systems. My driver told me that they are thinking of introducing a drive-through,
like Singapore,
which would improve that journey no end. I mean, that seems to be the major cause of the delay. The roads are good, but you have these bottlenecks caused by tolls.
So, what is one thing you dislike about Malaysia? Don't worry, honest.
Sure, there is no.
No,
I mean, perfect place.
You know, in China, their winters they're very, very cold.
Very cool.
Yeah, here every day hot, but I like it.
What would your advice be? Just one advice to people who are coming here.
I think they should stay longer, visit many places, and understand how local people live here, how they eat, what they eat, and and their habit and the culture here. It will be very interesting.
Don't be afraid to step away from like the top 5 or top 10 tourist spots. Like, don't just go to the Petronas towers, which are amazing. Definitely go there, but don't just only go to the Petronas. Be open to be adventurous. Try out street food. Don't just go to touristy restaurants. I love the laksa. Like, if you have a good laksa place, I think I could spend a week here trying to find the best laksa place because it can be so intense, the taste.
All right.
Yeah.
Just being respectful of the traditions and listening to what people have to say. I learn a lot just to get in the cab, ask a couple of questions. The driver's going to tell you a ton of things, you know. So just listen.
Actually, don't prepare that much, as in don't have many expectations, because in the end, a lot of things will surprise you. And it's really important to stay open-minded, try everything, talk to everyone. Everyone's very open-minded and nice and friendly. And try to talk to everyone, try everything. If you come to Southeast Asia, you have a stop in Malaysia, please come and spend like 2, 3, 4 days. Not just KL, please visit. And for living, as I just said, I want to come back myself. So if you have the chance to live here, also take it.